Alright, so what we're going to do today is we're going to shoot the Ruger RPR, the new precision bolt action rifle in 308. And we're going to show the difference. We're running a Mag Tactical suppressor on the end for 308. And we're going to show the difference between factory ammo and subsonic ammo. We've got 3 different loads. We're going to run CBC, the regular 308 supersonic ammo, and then we're going to run 3 different custom loads that are subsonic. The first one I think is 168 grain AMAX. The second one is a 200 grain soft point spear, and the third one is a 168 grain boat tail. So here we go. So the first one is going to be actual supersonic CBC M80 regular 308 ammo. All right. This is 168 grain Hornady AMAX loaded subsonic. The next one's going to be the CBC regular full power 308 supersonic. Now we're going to run a 200 grain spear soft point for all you hog hunters out there. Another full power CBC. And the last round we're going to run is another subsonic. This is a 168 grain hollow point boat tail. Yeah, all those hogs, their buddies don't know what happened. Fred, wake up! What happened? So as you can see, the new Ruger Precision Rifle coupled up with a nice 308 suppressor makes for an awfully quiet shooting experience.